What's up everyone, welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk, and today we're talking about the Aqua Sponge Mat from Cobalt Aquatics. Welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking the bell to be notified every single time I make a new video. Now in today's episode, we're talking about Cobalt Aquatics Aqua Sponge Mat. Now when you think about products for your aquarium, from lighting to filtration to test kits to everything in between, you may or may not think of a mat as being one of those products that can really help you out. Now, Cobalt Aquatics has been around since 2011, and they've been producing things like fish food and heaters and lighting and tanks and everything to help you succeed in this aquarium hobby. Now, one of their latest is the Aqua Sponge Mat. And what is this Aqua Mat? What is it going to do for you? Well, this is a super absorbent mat that you can use by placing in front of your aquarium to help you when you're doing maintenance for your tank. Now, if you're carrying buckets of water or you're siphoning water out of your tank to do a water change, you don't have to be in this hobby long to know that water is eventually going to spill on the floor. Now, if you have hardwood floors or floors that are sensitive to water, then this Aqua Mat is really gonna help you out. Okay, so here we are floor level with the Aqua Sponge Mat, and it's right in front of my tank. You can see the nice fish design that Cobalt Aquatics has on the front woven in, as well as the microfibers that are super absorbent, and that's gonna keep the water and hold it in place if you have any spills. Now on the bottom side of the mat, we have a nice rubberized material with a waterproof seam, I believe, that keeps the water in so it doesn't seep through the mat and get on your floor. So the water is absorbed and held by the mat so that your floor does not get wet. So nothing's really going to seep through this mat. So I took it outside so that I could film the mat a little bit better for you, and we're gonna pour some water on it and test it out. Okay, so here we are outside, and I put some water in this bucket right here, and I'm just gonna pour it on top of the mat, and we'll see how well of a job it does holding it. And you can see right away I kind of splashed a little bit, but you know what? Accidents happen in this hobby, but look at how it absorbs the water. Look at all that water. The microfiber's doing a great job holding the water. Let's take a look underneath. Completely dry, and that's what we want. If we have any accidents around the reef tank, spilling water, dripping, anything to do with water, that's what we want. So as you can see, this mat should be able to tackle any kind of spill. It can hold a lot of water. The XXL, the mat that I have, can hold 2 gallons or more, and it absorbs it right away, and it doesn't seep through the bottom. You can see underneath the mat when I lifted it up. It's just great to have in front of your reef tank. It looks nice, it's got a nice color, so it's not gonna take away from any decor in your home. It looks great in front of your aquarium, it absorbs water, helps you tackle the spills. Cobalt Aquatics, I think, has a great solution for you. You can check it out at cobaltaquatics.com. If you need any more information, head over there, pick one up for yourself today. Well, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to check that bell, and I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.